allowed by the U.S. Constitution to make us have insurance and put us at risk of our life.
Well, now at 5, the town hall meetings are once again going on, and a West Michigan lawmaker takes heat over his health care reform vote. Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining us. I'm Tom Van Howe.
And I'm Judy Marquis. Senate Majority Leader Harry Reid says he still hopes to bring health care reform bill to the floor next week, and he's hoping to pass a bill by year's end. Right now, Senator Reid is waiting on an estimate from the Congressional Budget Office on the bill's cost and coverage implications. It was last Sunday that the House passed a reform plan of its own. Like the Senate plan, it does include the public option. The final vote, 220 to 215, with one Republican voting for the plan and only one West Michigan lawmaker, Congressman Mark Schauer, voting yes. And today, Schauer was back in West Michigan talking about the plan and his vote. News Channel 3's Eric Gemmel was at this morning's meeting, and he has more now from the discussion.
I want to know who you are representing. Are you representing the people who elected you, or is it Nancy Pelosi?
These are the people that I'm fighting for and fighting for the people of my nation.
The debate on health care reform still rages on in Battle Creek. This morning, nearly 100 or so constituents from Congressman Mark Schauer's 7th District filled the pews of the First Baptist Church. Schauer was among 220 Democrats who helped pass the bill last weekend.
This decision became a pretty easy one after listening to all of the stories, meeting one-on-one with my constituents and realizing that people are falling further and further behind and we're less economically competitive with the status quo.
Yet there are still many questions for people left unanswered.
What's the penalty besides the 2.5% on your rolls? And what do you do with them if they don't pay?
And some are still discontent and voice concerns whether this bill has any merit at all.
I can't think of any programs that the government has been successful with, and so I have a hard time envisioning how they could do a good job with the health care issue.
Linda Garcia of Battle Creek was among a handful of people in today's audience who don't support health care reform and tells News Channel 3 she's fearful if health care reform is signed into law, her freedom will be stripped away.
It's all about freedoms in this country, and that's what I'm most concerned about.
Yet, across the aisle, there are plenty of others who say they stand behind Schauer's decision to help insure millions of Americans.
I'm just saying that we need to get together as Americans and support this bill.